Hey everyone, it's Henna here, and thanks. There's like dust in the air. Hi, how are you guys doing? If you're new to my channel, my name is Henna. Yes, like the henna tattoo. But if you're reading by the title, today I wanted to do something different. Now I saw this video, I think I saw it on Mara's channel and Natalia Taylor doing this, but I'm gonna go ahead and hire some people to Photoshop my picture. It's like I wanna see what someone else, how they would Photoshop my picture in comparison to how I would edit my own. Now before we get into it, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'd really appreciate it because I do post new videos here every week. Also, make sure to click that notification bell button. You hear all those YouTubers saying it, but it's because otherwise you won't be notified on when a new video goes up, which is really irritating, especially when you expect a new video every week. But without further ado, let's just get straight into this video. So to hire the people to edit, Photoshop my picture, I went ahead and used the Fiverr app. I'm not really sure how to pronounce it. It's one of those, but you can pretty much just sign up and you can pay people for services like editing your pictures, editing videos, logos, all that stuff and more. I mean, there's probably way more things on there. I just can't think of it on the top of my head, but I wanted to go ahead and hire at least 4 people to edit one picture of my choice. So the picture I'm gonna go ahead and have them edit. I've already edited this picture and it's already on Instagram. You know, I just thought, okay, this doesn't seem like a hard picture to really mess up, so why not just use that one? So this is the picture that I went ahead and decided to pick for this video. You can kind of pick with your budgets on how much you want to spend. It's gonna stick to like $5. I was kind of browsing through this and a lot of them like $5, $10, but it's just one picture I want to edit. I don't want anything too crazy. So the first one, Adobe Photoshop, edit photo retouching, editing. I'll try to put new life in your photos, make sure that you get a very natural and awesome result for me. Okay, cool. And they do a lot of stuff down, but I'm just gonna go ahead and stick to $5 and they'll send it in a day. So that's one that I'm choosing. Okay, I had to pick this one. He has Robert Pattinson, Edward Cullen photoshopped on Batman. That's just pretty epic. I have to go with that one. Also $5. Reason for hiring me, professional photo editing services. Okay, cool. Picking him or her or whoever, level 1. Okay, cool. Okay, the next one, do any Photoshop within 6 hours. Okay, pretty cool, decent time. They do white background, facial retouching. I mean, I'm about it. $5, 6 hours. Let's do it. 6+ years of experience. Okay, so this person looks like they do it all, so why not? Okay, cool. I'm going with that one as well. I want to go ahead and pick one more. I want to make it 4 at least. This one looks really interesting, the cover picture. Wow, that's a big difference. They do a lot of body shaping, photo manipulation. Okay, I'm gonna stick with the $5. Any kind of Photoshop editing. Top 5 reasons to hire me, 7 years of experience. Ooh. 24/7 support, 100% satisfaction, and they have really 4.9 reviews out of 161 people. Okay, well, I'm down, so we're going with you. So each person I hired, it was $5, and then with their service, like the Fiverr has a service fee, it came out to $7 each. So I hired 4 people to Photoshop that image. I went ahead and just messaged them all with the same thing. I said, hey, this is the image I want to have edited for me. Make it look pretty and nice, and the rest I give you full freedom to go ahead and do what you think looks good. So they've already, majority of all of them pretty much sent it to me after just 2-3 hours. So it was actually quicker than I thought. Now let's just quickly look at the original picture. Just a simple picture. It was on, you know, a bridge, on an overpass. I thought it was really pretty. This is before editing. Even just like this, I think I like this picture. There's like a little bit of like contrast just to fix like a little bit of color, but I really wouldn't do anything else. I am not huge on body manipulation. I mean, I totally get it if other people want to do it, but I am totally fine with how my body looks. I don't like to manipulate anything because I like how I am. I'm totally understandable when it comes to like skin retouching and makeup pictures, because you know, sometimes if you have a huge pimple, you want to smooth it out. I totally get it. But when it comes to my body, I'm really comfortable with my body, and I know I may not be the most fit person per se, but I don't really care for anyone manipulating my body and editing. That's just not the way I flow. So let's just see how these look. So this is one, the first one. Okay, so this definitely gives me MySpace vibes. Now, if you're not young enough to have used MySpace, this is what pictures look like on MySpace. Extremely unnecessary, cartoonish, overexposed, oversaturated, all that. And then my elbow looks extremely like greasy and yellow there. That's real cute. Yeah, I'm totally not vibing with this at all. And no, it's a no for me. I'm sorry, dude. This is just not cute. I don't know. The original, my skin doesn't look that bad. Ooh, this actually made me look kind of unflattering. So yeah, that has to be a no. Okay. Oh, that was really drastic. So this second one, I guess, so there's definitely some things that I see here. I'm pretty sure this was a guy, and I guess for him, pretty and nice was getting rid of my butt. Which I actually think I have a nice butt. I mean, I'm not too big on like showing off my curves or anything, or I think I have like crazy curves, but I actually like my butt. He got rid of my butt. He got rid of my tush. Thousands of dollars to get tushes and stuff. But he made me like a pancake booty, which is fine. I mean, hey, looking at it, I don't look bad with a pancake booty, but I guess he wanted to give me a pancake booty. He definitely pulled in, he cinched in my waist, like from the side. He also took in my tummy, which I mean, again, I got a tummy, I got a muffin top, that's fine. You want to take it in. He also made, kind of thinned out my arm fat right there. And then I can see it in the picture, the bridge shadow is really curved, right behind my knee, because I guess he wanted my like leg thigh to like match the pancake booty he gave me. Yeah, I'm not about it. The sad part is I like how the sky look. It maybe looks a little too blue to where it looks fake, but I like the surrounding. It looks nice, like the way he kind of edited that, but the body manipulation, I'm not about it. It's not cool with me. And even in the spot where he took in my belly, you can tell because my hair looks not natural at all. One more thing. So it's confused. Okay, hold on. Going back to this, I know this guy went ahead and just got rid of my butt, but he made my boobs big. Like, he got rid of my butt, but he made my boobs a little bit bigger. Like, dude, really? Oh my God. One more thing, it's crazy to see people's perception of like pretty, or like what they think is hot, or, you know, looks good on a woman. Like, some people think looking skinny looks great. Some people think having bigger hips is better. So it's just really interesting to see what people think of what looks good and what doesn't look good. So that's crazy. All right, this next one, to be honest with you, looks the same. It just looks like she brightened it, and yeah, it just looks brightened, a little overexposed because the sky is not as vibrant. That's a really sad edit, especially since I paid $5, and she's actually the one that took the longest to deliver the photo to me, and she literally just brightened the image up. So that's kind of sad. She didn't do really anything else with the image, I don't believe so. Let me just double check really quick. Let's zoom in. And she just kind of smoothed out my veins on my palm. Okay. Yeah, no, I don't. For $5, dude, like, I could do that in a heartbeat to brighten. So, I mean, it doesn't look bad, but my picture pretty much looks the same, the original image. So it's kind of like, really, dude? Really? So this last one, I'm not really mad at it. It's really nice. It's a nice image. I love how they did the blue in the sky. It looks nice. They made it a little bit more vibrant than it was. I also noticed that he kind of didn't completely remove, but he kind of smoothed and faded out the shadows on my arms from the bridge. So that was kind of nice. And he also made sure to smoothen out a little bit of my face and my forehead, the little sissy lines right there in the middle. He kind of smoothed it out. So I like that. That was a really nice touch. Overall, I think this guy did a really great job. So yeah, I'm not mad at this one. I actually like this one. I think this is one that I would actually edit myself before posting this on Instagram. So out of all of them, I really like this one. I think this one really is nice. Now for $5, this is definitely a really easy job to do by myself. It would literally take me a minute or 2 minutes. So $5 is, I mean, $5 is not a lot in that sense, but it's not bad because someone that wants to edit a picture, maybe they don't know how to do those things. So after seeing all those, I did like the last one. I think it was one that I would definitely use on my own on my Instagram. I'll go ahead and show you guys the one that I did, comparison to the original and the one that I posted on my Instagram. Not a huge difference. I don't really like to completely change the image when I'm posting it, It just depends. Sometimes I'll go ahead and use a filter that I like. But for this one in particular, I really loved how the original image looked. I really wanted to keep it that way, just like tweak a little bit of things. So that's kind of what you can see. And Mowgli is barking like a crazy person. So that's how my image looks on Instagram. But go ahead and do follow me on Instagram at Thehennaali. And yeah, that is it for this video. It's crazy to see how everybody has a different perception of what they think is pretty or nice. You know, at the end of the day, I'm not going to sit here and tell you don't edit yourself, don't FaceTune yourself, because you always want to look your best in pictures. And I totally understand that. I really do. So I'm not going to tell you not to do that, but just I guess the one thing I can say is just that remember, out of Instagram, out of Facebook, YouTube, whatever, you are who you are. And if you are not ready to accept that, then, you know, that's just, you have to work on yourself. You have to work on self-love and just bettering yourself. So, but if you want to have fun and you want to look pretty on Instagram, go ahead and do it. It's totally up to you. No shame, nothing. It's fine. Everybody does it. But I totally get it. If it's all for fun and you really enjoy it, do what you gotta do. Do you, boo-boo. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Enjoyed it. I want to go ahead and thank you guys so much for supporting my last video that I actually put up, which is where I went to the worst reviewed makeup artist in my city. I'm so happy you guys are enjoying that video, and I really enjoy doing these kind of videos. It's fun. I mean, I love doing reviews. I love doing get ready with me's, but these are really like a refresher in my routine. So if you guys have any other suggestions of these kind of videos you'd like to see, let me know down in the comments below. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because why not? I post a new video here every week, and I would love to have you guys join my family. But alright guys, that is it for this video, and I'm gonna get going. So bye. Yes. And can I just say for the record, I am really vibing with my makeup today. This like corally, poppy yellow. I'm totally down with it today. Yes. Yes, bye. Where you make that extra cash at? Probably have a man, but I don't really wanna ask that. I don't wanna know why you blowing up my phone. We supposed to keep this on the low.